Could you actually cross America by hitchhiking a ride on a train? To find out, I went on a 1,000-mile voyage that turned out to be the most physically demanding, mentally exhausting, and absolutely wildest journey of my entire life. And it all starts now. Here we go. Quick. Get down. This bad boy is picking up steam. Insane, bro. But that was only the beginning, because my goal was to hitchhike all the way across the country from Chicago, Illinois to Austin, Texas.